Alright guys, this is a different type of video, but if you are under 18 and you want to become successful, I know how you feel, and now that I'm 18, I know what you guys should be doing to gain that success. So, number one, all you have to do is gain a skill. Video editing, stock trading, wholesaling, drop shipping. Those are a number of things that you can do to, maximize your skill set. All you need is a skill set so you can work for yourself. Work from home, be in your room, on your computer, online. That's the place to be to make money. Um, Show what you do as well on your social media. That's another thing that you guys can do. Um, those are some things that I wish I would have known, that you just need one skill that you can master and you can teach others how to do. If you can do that, you'll be successful and you'll be able to profit from it because you're a master at it, and people will want to know how to do it, and they'll want you to do it for them. That's money. Get that? That's all you need. Let's get it.